Agencies. 4,500 here today at the Westpac helicopter Weaner sale here in Tamworth. Top of the steers was 1,290 some Angus steers for the Gooch family off Oliver Dar, outstanding line of steers. The yearling's 1310 was shared by Lowry off Upper Wood, Angus steers, and Saints some steers off Canada on PPA. So it was a good shot there. In the heifer run, the yearling heifers, 1150, a good run from Van Morgan Livestock up from Bendemeer. 78 or 80 in the run there, which is good to see. In the heifers, held on pretty well considering what we've seen in the markets of late. Top was 880 there, some Angus heifers, little lightweight heifers again, Gooch family off Oliver Dar, it's great to see. In the cows and calves, 1950 was the top of the cows and calves, 3 and 1 units, first calves heifers with the nice calf foot, so they're pretty viable actually there. In the PDIC cows, got out to 2,000 for some Angus cows, young cows with a nice Angus calf back inside them. In the PDIC heifers, got out to 1,300 there, some Angus heifers through McCulloch Agencies from up in London. So all in all, considering the market that we've seen the last week, was a great result here in Tamworth. Some great opportunities for buyers and sellers. It's great to see. Thank you very much.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?